One of the best, outstanding, unique, yet profound countries I've ever been to.
Welcome to the Special Administrative Region of China, Hong Kong.
Earlier this year, I've traveled to Hong Kong, but this time I went with my wifey, Jane. Not like in my previous travel vlog, single and solo. The purpose of this trip was G-Dragon concert. But due to the fact that tickets from Russia and back cost a kidney and 30% of your heart, it was cheaper for us to stay in Hong Kong longer than have a 2-day trip, so we had a full 3 days to ourselves. Day 1. On a day 1, we have booked a hotel just like we did last year in November. The hotel had a decent, or I would say a good location for logistics around the city, and the view of the city for $150 a night was all worth it. Just look at this window view. As in every vlog, I would like to credit my wonderful Jane for preparing a travel plan for this and every other trip for us, so that we know where to go each day. Our first stop was sushi takeout. We loved it so much last time we visited, we couldn't find better sushi than there. So we got 2 packs of various sushis and went on our bench spot. In comparison with last year, this time we didn't eat while the typhoon was getting ready to hit us. The next mission was the Cat Street. Back in November, I was a cheap ass and didn't get a bracelet for myself and didn't really look through antiques, vintage pieces, so I took my time to record videos, take more pictures, and during our walk at the Cat Street, we also ran by our favorite temple where we thanked the gods, and I got myself an amulet for better wishes. We also stopped at the coffee shop where we got cold drinks, definitely a recommendation from Red Wolf. Next stop, K11. Our mission was to get one of those Pop Mart figurines for Jane and also visit MoMA Museum, which we found doesn't exist in K11 anymore. But before finding that out, we took a ferry to another side of the city. Thankfully, we didn't travel to some random island, but we managed to chill in the ferry, take some nice B-roll, and enjoy last rays of the sun whilst walking back to K11. At K11, we took a scenic photo and headed out to our favorite veggie spot. And yet another Red Wolf recommendation: visit it, but be ready for big portions and cheap prices.
This is tofu, stir-fried, and this is also seafood, vegetarian seafood rice.
Towards the end of the day, we got vet tea, and it was good. Day 2. It was the day, especially for Jane. This is the day when Jane would see her idol. And G-Dragon was amazing, even beyond that. I edited a big video during summer about our visit and preparation on seeing GD, and you can watch it right now, clicking on the top right corner. But in short, this concert was one-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and not like I won't see him at MoMA next year with his new Big Bang album or return, but will I ever be able to visit Ubermensch live? I doubt it. After the concert, we dropped by some street food spot where I got fried noodles, fish balls. Don't know where it was, but I'll find a pin. Here you go. Day 3. Zoe pop-up. So GD has a cat called Zoe, and he made a brand out of her. And we managed to sneak into the pop-up. Unfortunately, most of the merch was sold out, so we took what was selling. Then we exchanged crypto at 1 Satoshi, that's Red Wolf recommendation. Perfect spot to exchange USDT to Hong Kong dollars, and went to get some food. We found a huge mall and decided to check it out. And of course we saw locals there, and where we see locals, that means better and not overpriced food. Whilst the wait for food, I got Jane a pop-up figurine, and she managed to snag a new piece, of course after Gachi getting a duplicate in the previous. Day 3 was planned this way so that we could walk, spend money and eat, and then repeat. And that's exactly what we did. Jane's plan included few spots around Hong Kong where we could eat in a themed G-Dragon cafe. Why theme GD? Well, you can check it out in my bigger video to find out. With countless lines of fams, aka fans, we visited 2 spots and got 4 gifts, and also we ate and drank a good espresso, actually my best espresso I've ever had in my life. We stopped by to see flamingos at Kowloon Park. We stopped by to eat at the Temple Market. We stopped by at the Kowloon Public Pier to exchange our Hong Kong wedding rings. Towards 11 p.m. we went to 7-Eleven because next time we'll visit it in 2026 and bought a bunch of various food for the plane, and the very morning, in case we would be hungry, at 6 a.m. we were already at the airport waiting for our plane. This time our trip was way shorter than the first one, but it felt like coming to a favorite cafe and getting the perfect cappuccino and seeing your friends, talking about future plans and even getting a cupcake. That's how Hong Kong felt this time around. I think you know the feeling I'm describing. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Dmitry Radwolf. For more content you can follow my Instagram and Jane's. We have way more travel videos in our Red Wolf Adventure playlist, and also we have a monthly vlog series which you can check it out. So you don't forget to subscribe because there's more content coming.